YouTube has a new feature called Shorts that's similar to TikTok, featuring short vertical videos. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use YouTube Shorts. Now let's get started. YouTube Shorts is still in beta in most regions, but you can access it by searching Shorts on the YouTube app, or you may see it on your YouTube app homepage. Here you'll find popular and trending Shorts videos. Tap one to watch it. Scroll down to skip to the next video. Using the buttons on the right, you can like or dislike a video, add a comment, or share a video with friends through social media or a messaging app. To post your own Shorts videos, simply upload a video to YouTube that's in vertical format and under 1 minute long, and add hashtag Shorts in the title or the description. Other users will be able to discover your video as they normally would on YouTube, and it has the potential to be displayed within the YouTube Shorts shelf. Many people are simply uploading videos they've already made on TikTok or Instagram Reels to their YouTube channel as Shorts. This is an easy way to repurpose content you've already made, but note that if you're going to do this, you should not use copyrighted music that may be available on TikTok or Instagram. Your video could be flagged on YouTube for copyright infringement. That does it for our guide to using the YouTube Shorts beta. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.